Hi everyone, how are you doing today? All right, so today we're going to be talking about something very wonderful. 5 reasons why learning Excel is very important. Now, the fifth, the last one is of essence. So stay back, understand all the things we're going to say and use it to your own advantage. All right. So, you know, people always ask, why do I need to learn Excel? What do I need it for? What is it all about? And all that. That is the same question when I asked when I first started. I asked myself a few questions, and through the information I have, I'm going to share with you 5 major reasons why you must learn Excel in this time of the year. Okay. Now, the first thing that, the first reason why you need to learn Excel First reason why you need to learn Excel is because it's an essential career growth and job opportunity. So many people who want to, get job in the finance department, marketing department, engineering, administration. Guess what? You need Excel because Excel is the root of every single thing that they do. Is very important. So knowledge of Excel will help you to scale through in this area. That's why we say that mastering Excel increases employability and provides a competitive edge in the job market. So if you have Excel, you've already ticked a point for yourself. That's number one. Number two, it helps in data analysis and decision making. As somebody who understands Excel so much, it helps you to simplify your data collection, organizing your data, visualizing your tables, chart, pivot table. It helps to do all that, right? So when you know Excel very well, it is easier for you to become a wonderful data analyst and make decisions in your business. Even professionals can also use this to analyze the trend, forecast businesses, make decisions and all that. So it is widely used in all business facets. All right. So that is why it's very important that you learn it, because it will help your decision making and also your data analysis journey. The next one is it boosts productivity and efficiency. Now, when you automate your formula, you automate your Excel with formulas, functions, macros, it reduces time spent on repeating the same thing, right? So with the help of Excel, you can put up a formula or functions or macros, right? Put them together so that when your data are coming in from wherever it's coming in is already automated. Everything is automated, and guess what? You are having results immediately. So it saves time. Conditional formatting filtering helps also in sorting and understanding of large data to really understand what it means. So with Excel, you can now know what your data is all about, and it helps you to increase productivity in your business, right? Now the next one is also critical for academic success. You need it as somebody who is in school, high school, whichever school you are, right? Excel is important for research, it's important for statistics, it's important for data visualization. I remember when I was in the university, I had to start learning Excel as a point to be able to put up my graphs, to be able to put up my tables and do my analysis as an undergraduate, right? So it helps, to prepare you as a student for future careers in finances and every other thing you need to do. Lastly, very important, guess what? It gives you versatility across all industries and personal use, right? So Excel is important because it's so versatile. It's something that you can use at any point in time. You can use it for anything you want. So even business management, from business management to engineering to healthcare, Excel is used everywhere. And it's going to be very bad if you don't have knowledge about Excel. So go back, and learn how to use Excel. All right. Now I have made videos, a lot of videos giving you introduction on Excel from a beginner to to a particular level. So with the videos I already have right now, I'm going to be posting the links, all right, in this video right now, right? I'm going to put in the links so that you can go and watch all of them. It can give you a head start on what we are doing, right? So the Excel can be used in other ways, project management, inventory tracking, and every other thing you can use it for. So it's very important. In conclusion, pay attention to this. Whether you are a student, a job seeker, Excel is very crucial. In any profession that you are, Excel is very essential for your productivity, is efficient for your efficiency, for your career growth. Is very important. So start now to learn Excel. All right, you might say, I'm too old for this. No. As far as this 21st century is concerned, and as far as the tech world is increasing on a daily basis, you need to learn Excel. You need to understand how to use it. You need to start using it now. The best time to learn it is now. So you have some videos I've already made on this channel. Go through them, learn and practice. And if you have any question, drop your questions on the comment. I'm going to act. I'm going to act on that. And if this is your first time of coming to my channel, endeavor to subscribe, endeavor to like and comment and share the video so that more people can see it, so that it give us an opportunity to make more videos moving forward. Thank you very much. I hope you learned something today.